and the mountain cat plunges into the snow, attempting to catch the rabbit. At this time of the year, food is scarce, as the little one awaits patiently, with hunger from its hibernation. The rabbit burrowed itself in a hole under a blanket of deep snow. The mountain lion continues to dig, using its very sharp claws.
Come out, wherever you are. Hurry up, Bam Bam, I'm starving.
The mountain lion soon realizes she is too big to fit in the hole, yet she is persistent.
Did you get it yet? Stop nagging me.
Shoving her face into the freezing snow, the mountain lion gets a brain freeze. Yet she is eager to satisfy her hunger. Desperate, she looks for a different exit where the rabbit may have gone. The mountain lion is now exhausted. She has swallowed too much snow, and her face is frozen.
Mama, I can't feel my face. I can't feel my face.